What's up, guys? It has been a long time since I posted a video, and there's a few reasons for that. One, I'm actually trying to sell my kayak. So I haven't been kayak fishing much because I got it fixed. It's looking all nice and pretty, it's clean, so I'm trying to sell it, and I really don't want to take it out. I want it to be nice and clean and perfect for whoever buys it. Second, life has just been kicking my butt, work, school, all the other stuff, so I haven't really been able to come out much. But today, managed to sneak out, so we're gonna do some surf fishing from the beach. Honestly, I'm not expecting much, but I made one cast with this little casting jig right here, and I think it was a bluefish. I hooked up the bluefish on the first cast, so I decided to stop, make an intro real quick. But let's get after it. Oh, look at that, I'm already hooked up. That's a lady. That's a lady. Come here, dude. I don't really care. As soon as it hit the water, I'm hooked up. He's still on. He's still on. Oh, is this a Spanish? No, it's a lady. Never mind. Little lady. All right, I'm not too concerned about that. Yep, there's another one. I think I just lost him. Yep. Lost him in the surf. It's all right. Oh, damn it. Did I just lose him? Oh, nope, still on. Oh, now I lost him. That looked like a bluefish. Man, I might have to put a gotcha on. I'm gonna make sure I get a good hook set. Oh, jeez. Yep, there's already a fish on it. Oh, what was that? Did he break me off? No, it's still there. Damn! No, I think he did. He broke me off. What was that? So as I was saying, I was like, I'd probably put a gotcha on so I can get him. Well, that's what I got on now. So, let's see what we can do with this. Come here, dude. What we got here? Yep, what'd I say? Bluefish. I knew they were out here. Come here, dude. He's a little guy. All right, man. Thanks, bud. What is that? Yep, we got something. What is this little thing? Okay, he's foul hooked. It was not trying to catch one of these guys. I can't tell if you have spines or not. You're not a skipjack. Ooh, yep, he's got spikes. Alright, well, if these guys hurt, I'm about to find out, because he did get me. There we go. I'm not sure what this little dude is, but he reminds me of a skipjack, so which if you don't know, a skipjack is a silver fish with a bright yellow tail. You really don't want to mess with them, and I'm pretty sure he's related to them in some way or another, so I'm not gonna mess with it. There we go. That's something. Is this a blue runner? All right, or a hardtail. Fourth species of the day. Little guy. Come here, bud. Oof, dude. Jack Crevalle right here. Is that fifth species? Actually, it might just be a little blue run. No, he's a jack. It's a Crevalle. Little guy. I think this is gonna be another blue runner. If he's still, he's still on. Or another jack. It works. There we go. Little jack. Alright, so they really seem to like these casting jigs. Now this is the only one that I have left that would probably work. I can actually launch, so we're gonna give it a shot. Not a fan of the color, but they like the casting jigs. That seems to be the only thing that these fish are really interested in. So we're gonna give this one a shot, and then I'm probably gonna head out really soon. There we go. That's a fish. Oh, and he spit it, dude. Oh, damn. He's still up here. Not slowing down. I'm not slowing down. Oh, you are coming in. What are you? Aha! Okay. So remember I was telling y'all about skipjacks? This is a skipjack. So in case y'all don't know, these suckers have fins on the top and bottom of them, and they have like a little toxin, and it hurts like hell if you get hit. So I'm gonna be very careful. I'm gonna get rid of him, but don't touch these fish. Just don't do it. You're gonna have a really bad day if you do. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for today. I know this isn't my normal style of fishing, but until I get a new kayak, this is what I'm limited to. So I hope you enjoy it. Didn't catch a whole lot of good fish, I guess, but it's cool to catch multiple species, especially from the surf like this, so it wasn't bad. But anyway, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.